Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to teach you guys how to make the 3D intro that was originally made by John. So all the credits to him, and yeah, let's start the tutorial. So I'm going to add a solid for the background. It can be any color, it doesn't matter. Okay, now go to rectangle tool and change this to rounded rectangle tool and draw something like this. Good. And then go to this setting of the shape layer and go to rectangle pass and change the roundness to I don't know, any kind of round that you want. It can be 115 is good, I think. And yeah, let's make it smaller. Alright, good. And I also want it to be a little bigger, so I make sure to turn this off and change this to the way that you want. Alright, I think this is good. Then duplicate this and make sure to change this to none and make this to white and change it to 10. I think that would be great. And increase it a bit. Alright, good. Change its opacity to 70 and change this opacity to 50. Alright, this is good. The next thing you gotta do is to make the settings for it. So what I'm going to do is to use another rectangle tool and change it to ellipse tool and just draw a circle. Alright, that is good. And use the PNGs that I added in the description for you guys in a mega link, and you can use your own PNGs. Doesn't matter that you use mine, but this is how I like to design my thing. And yeah, pre-compose it. Alright, now change the opacity to 60. I think that would be good. Alright, after that, pre-compose it. Yeah, just like that. Now do this for the rest of the settings that you want. Alright, after you did that, again go to rectangle tool, go to rounded rectangle tool and draw something like this. You can change its roundness again from here. I think this is good. I'm going to duplicate it and add a little stroke to it. Alright, this is good. I'm going to write something like enter password. Looks great. And also you can write your username here or the person that you are editing. Alright, this is good. And then you can add the picture of the person that you want. I'm just gonna add a simple slide, so it just because it's just a tutorial. Yeah, so this is the front layer. And you can also add drop shadows so that all the thing that you design looks better. And use any setting that you want, or use my setting. It really doesn't matter at all. And yeah, this is how you make the front page and you design it the way that you want. Alright, hope it helps you guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more CandyStyle tutorials. Hope it helps you guys. See you soon again.